and welcome back to Gordon Guitar. Popcaan featuring TONI-ANN SINGH. This song is called Next to Me. So we have only 3 different chords in this song, pretty easy. And this chord progression will go round and round. So let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this. And we'll look at the chords first. So we have the A sharp sus chord here. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings except from the last E string here. So 5 strings. And then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. Next chord will be C. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. The chord progression will be A sharp, C, D minor, and then back to C. And that is how it goes. A sharp, C, D minor, C. All right, so the last thing we need to know about is the strumming pattern. And grab that A sharp chord. And one round of strumming will be down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down. So down, and then a short break there, pause, and then up, down, up, down. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So a couple of rounds with A sharp sounds like this. So with the chord progression, 2 per chord, like this. And that's it, my friends. Next to Me. So until next time, play tuned.